Hi there, welcome back to Save with Crypto. My name's Save with Crypto. I'm just talking a bit quietly because everyone's still asleep here at the moment. So if you're using the old version of the quad rotation stochastic, get the new one. It's a premium one, but you can get it for free. And you can get that by going to savewith.crypto.org/QZ or QZ if you're American. But if you've got the old one, ditch it. I'm going to. There it is, gone. And get the new one. Now once you've gone through the steps to get it, your invite will be approved and you'll see it in your invite only section here. There it is. Okay, so we're currently on Quadzilla version 1. Now this is the 1 hour time frame with Bitcoin, and there's a couple of things that are interesting here. One is we've now got a green background here, and you can see that in the past when that's happened, for example here on the 28th of July, that was a really good bottom. This one here on the 25th of July, really good bottom. If we go back further, you can see this one here, that was excellent as well. So I think we could be near a bottom at the moment. Now what's also interesting is we've got this retracement level here. Now the way these work is on the way down you get a bearish cross in these EMAs here, and by the way this is all part of the same indicator, so you only need one indicator now. So you get that bearish cross there, and at that point the price starts to drop. Now what the new indicator does, it draws in these retracement levels here, like this one here, and what that means is as the prices are coming down, it's going to drop further, but it's probably going to retrace to that level at some point. And you can see perfectly here, it came down, went back up and retraced there. Okay, let's find another one. Here's one here, retraced perfectly. There's one here, retraced perfectly. Back here on the 20th of June, this one was superb. Look at this. Price came down here, tried to retrace, didn't quite get there, but then it came all the way down here and finally retraced there. Okay, so what does that mean for us now? Well, it means we'll probably retrace back to that level there, which is about 117,735. Now at the moment I'm not in any Bitcoin trades, and I don't particularly want to be because I've got a long drive today, and then tomorrow I'm flying to Spain. So I'm not going to be able to access any of my trading platforms easily. However, I think this is too good an opportunity to miss, because I really do think it's going to do something like what it did here. So whereas we've got a double bottom here, I think we could easily get a kind of double bottom here. Okay, and that is exactly what did happen. Price is back down here again. I'm kind of expecting another green background there, but because I need to get on with my day, I did actually enter into a long position on BitGet. I must admit I was a bit too hasty with entering then. I did do it in 2 goes. I entered here and there, so my average price is there, which is not as good as it could be. Means that I'm currently about 4% down, about $60 down, using a margin of $1,500. But we'll see how that plays out. I think that'll be okay. I've got an Ethereum one here that's very much in profit. That's from a week or so ago, when Ethereum was at 3311. If you want to trade on BitGet, I can get you up to a $30,000 trading bonus depending on your deposit and your trading volume. If you want to do that, go to savewithcrypto.org/BitGet. Now I have also noticed that the price of Solana has come down quite a lot as well. So I think I'm just going to buy some spot Solana, because I haven't really got much. So I think I'm going to do that over on Blofin. So what I'm going to do is move some of my USDT out of the futures. I'm going to move some of the USDT out of this futures account here. Okay, so that one there, and put it in the spot. Okay, I'm going to do about half that, so maybe like $2,000. and then I'm going to go to spot, look for Solana, and go for spot here, and I'm going to do a limit buy because that's cheaper. Just going to choose a price out of the order book, put that on full, so that's going to buy 11.8 Solana. Okay, so that order's set there. So if the price comes down there, I'm going to buy some Solana, which I think is a fairly safe thing to do at the moment. I can see us going back up to 200 certainly. And obviously if we did that, I get 18% increase. So that would be nice, wouldn't it? If you want to trade on Blofin, use my link, savewith.crypto.org/Blofin. And there is like really generous deposit bonuses there as well. Although at the moment, the best one I have that you might like is Bitunix. Now, Bitunix is a really nice exchange. I've been using it since January the 1st this year, and it's been really good. I can get you a massive deposit bonus as well at the moment. That's up until 30th of October, so plenty of time there. But this is, if you deposit $100, you get $20, and if you deposit, like say $2,000, you get $400 USDT futures bonus. So it's really, really worth doing. This is one of the best offers I've ever seen for a sign-up bonus. So if you haven't got Bitunix, get it now. You don't need any KYC, so you don't need to prove who you are. You don't need to show a driving license, anything like that. You don't even need to tell them your real name. So really good exchange. Try it out. savewithcrypto.org/Bitunix. Okay, so if you like the sound of that, please do give the video a great big fat like. Make sure you are subscribed and you've got the notifications set to all. Any questions, leave them in the comments down below. And above all, tell your friends.